The colors. The world we live in is filled with an infinite amount of color. From the moment we open our eyes, we can see this. Every color we see has a different meaning for everyone. Colors give life to objects, and it is up to us to give it a meaning. They can give a positive or negative feel to objects as well. Many times we use the color or flag for different representations that use for scenes or even relate that with food. There is a great variety of flags representing countries, political parties, countries, and their place are represented with color, the means of their respective flag. Each color that they have as meaning as the red color many countries use in the their flag. Denmark was the first country that used red in flag, and Republic Republic of Serbia was the last in to take the color red in this flag according to the history. The second color in the flag of the world is white. Countries that use white in their flag do to represent virtues, values, and aspiration as peace, unity, purity, prosperity, and other more. Eh, the blue color is the color used in flag and is to represent many times the blue sky and scenes, as it is in the country of Central America. The hope and freedom in some countries is represented by the green color in the flag. The flag that has the color yellow represents the line of country or the dawn of the new country or the truth that this should have. The color in flag of a country can have multiple meanings and this according to the history of their country. As well as color has meaning in flag, also as very important as safe seeing the color used for the most big color that attracted attention, as the red color can use can be used for emergency. The yellow color as alarm button used when there multiple levels standing. It is also used the green color on output of emergency doors, and the blue color is very much used in the team of protection staff. The use safety color can avoid risk and many accidents. The summary color can represent a given meaning to several things, such as thinking the color with food, for example, red with strawberry, yellow with banana, orange with orange, and so on an infinite amount of relations that we can give to each color in each moment of day, even to relate the width of feeling, whether and positive or negative.